Well, Lynn from Adamson Roofing come out and did a great job. He gave me a quality estimate, and I have had people in the past that I've dealt with that were shady. So, what I did was check with him on the estimate. He gave a good quality estimate, and the people were very professional. He come out and did the job when he said he was going to do it, and within the time frame he said he was going to do it. The reason I found him was on Better Bidding Bureau, because I have been stung in the past, and I researched it, and he's the only individual that doesn't have any complaints, nor any complaints have ever been issued or resolved. So that's a big plus, and I think he's been a Better Bureau for at least 7 to 8 years. You want to check that out as well when you're looking for a roofer. So don't get stung. He cleaned up his mess. He went over the yard with magnets to get all the nails up. So he did a real good job. So I'd recommend him in a heartbeat.